Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. Today we are going to be simplifying these golden women's slippers, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Now, if you're watching my channel for the first time, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that more and more people can see it. Just sit back and I'm gonna be right back.
If my car breaks down, I can call an Uber. But if my body breaks down, I'm stuck. There's no Uber. Hallelujah. If your body breaks down, you can't claim somebody else's body. You can claim somebody's car, somebody's house. You can't claim somebody else's body. Take care of your body. You only have one. Just one. Imagine you only have one coat to wear for the rest of your life. Will you not take care of that coat? Will you not? That's the same way we have to look at our bodies. Your body's carrying your spirit. But what do you do when the body is sick and can't carry the spirit? John said, I wish above all things that you prosper. You prosper in all things. As you're prospering in your soul, you want to prosper in your health.
So now that I have this, I have 4 centimeter by about 29 centimeter, and the two of them are the same thing. So for the design, what I'm going to first of all do is to try to see where it's going to stop. Now, it's not compulsory that it should be as long as this. I just did this for the sake of doing, doing that, just for it to be enough. If you look at the design, you find that I came a little bit low, so I'm going to position this way. I don't want to have any issues with this. I'm also going to try and check if this is going to also work on this particular side. As long as I'm okay with that crossing, I'm going to go ahead and seal it down right there. So I just want to use my glue to hold it down there. I'm sure you can see that. So I want to be sure that it's coming this way downwards, you understand, and it's also applicable to this side. So I can cut this part off. You understand? I can cut it off. Of course, I have, this is actually excess. So then I'll come to this side and also do the same thing. The stand want to remove and run away. Where the stand is going, I don't know. Now you can see what this looks like right here. You can see what it looks like. So I'm going to hold it down, come to this side, and also cut this off. So you may not need, I'm actually using a size 41 shoe last, so your last two will be the sole determinant of what you're going to be having. Now, the reason why this is like this is because I am using is for this part. Now, for the second part, you are also going to cut the same strap, and you are going to position that this way. Now, when you are positioning that, you know that it cannot definitely be like this. It means it has to be wider for it to stay, properly on this particular side. So it's not going to be at the same angle. I mean, this cross will not be at the same angle. So for this side, I'm going to measure about I want to first of all, draw a diagonal line here. I'm going to draw that line, you understand? I'm now going to measure like 2.5, as my length here. Or you can decide, if you don't want yours to be 2.5, from here to here is 2.5. You can decide to make it 3 if you so desire, so it will be here. So what do? I'm just going to draw a line right here. If it's going to be here, you can see that. And if you prefer it down here, if you prefer it here, use this part. So I'll cut the two of them just for you to be able to see what it looks like. So this is what we have right here. You can see that we are already having the shape. We are already having the shape. I just trimmed that little excess that I have there right off. You can see that it's looking like what we really want. So this is what I'm going to be having right here, like this and like this. And hoo-la-la, our design for this lower part is ready. So we are going to go ahead and do the same thing for the upper part as well. Don't forget, for this one that will be facing this other side. All right, so for this particular one, as you can see, is going this direction. So I made sure that it's not, of course, at the same angle. It's still the same process with this. You understand? It's still the same process with this, so you can see what it look like. Now let me try to put this so that you will see what I'm talking about. Can you see that they are not at the same position? So please ensure that when you are positioning the two strap for this one, ensure that it looks like this, just like I did for the second one. Please make sure you do that, and then you are good to go. So what do we do next? We are going to suspend it right into it. You can see this, suspend it in between it this way, and then this is what we are going to be having. So this is going to outrightly come down here, and this is going to outrightly be around here. So I'm sure you can see what this looks like. This is what it's going to look like on your design. No, this is supposed to be a bit up and then like this. I'm sure you can see the shape coming out right there. You can see this, something like this coming out. And then our design is ready. So all we use is just a 2 strap of this particular 4 centimeter width leather, and all I do is just what you have seen me do, and you can see what this looks like. So when I finish this particular one, I place it on a plain sheet. That's why it's looking like this. I'm going to also do the same thing for this particular one. Now for those people who might want to know the width of my own, this particular part is about 5 centimeter. In case you want to create your own and you're wondering which is the appropriate position, and for the second one is also around 5 centimeters. So make sure that you understand this width is about 5 centimeters. You understand? You can even see the positioning. They are not the same thing. So once again, I Odurole Mojibola, and I believe you have learned 1 or 2 things today. So go ahead and create the design. Feel free to share your own pattern with me on my Facebook or Instagram at Jibbyfemforte. And don't forget our online classes, and of course if you're in Abuja and you want to have a one-on-one class real time with us, we are always available. You can definitely contact us on Facebook or on Instagram at Jibbyfemforte. Trust me, I love you, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.